Hi there mga beloved yung soulmates, kamusta po kayong lahat? Andito mo po yung lingkod, Renzo Tarot Channel. Para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful na tarot reading dito lamang po sa inyo lagi na pangan. Sinusubaybayan at pinakamahal na Renzo Tarot Channel. Mega shoutout po sa lahat ng aking soulmates sa buong bansa. Asama pa rin po kayo ng mundo naroon. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Sige po, ang reading na po ito. Ang reading pong ito ay isang bonus reading para sa ating mga pinakamalala sa sign ng Leo. Sige, Leo, para sa inyo ito. And Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, I know that you're so excited. And kamusta po kayong lahat? I am praying and I am hoping na nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan, safe, healthy, and of course, happy. And kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at nagustuhan niyo po or nakaresonate po kayo sa ating reading, huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-comment and mag-like, mag-share na rin po. And of course, nagbabasa po ako ng mga comments and nag-reply. Yun, maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Simula ay hindi nyo po ako iniwan. Andyan po kayo ay nakakataba sa puso po ang mga komento na aking nababasa sa araw-araw. Maraming salamat. Pasensya na rin po. 5 araw pong walang upload ang inyong lingkod. But this will continue. Dito pa rin po ako. Don't you worry. Sige. Bonus reading mo, Leo, kunin na natin ay yung 10 baraha. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, and Ancestors. Please give us the 10 cards for our bonus reading for Leo. Sige. Sa mga bago po sa ating channel, maybe magtaka po kayo, bakit parang ang gulo niya mag-shuffle? Yes, don't you worry po. Dito po comfortable at confident po tayo. At the same time, dito po tayo nakakakuha ng mga magagandang baraha wherein nakaka-resonate po o nakaka-relate po ang karamihan. Sige po, let's continue. 9 cards please with our bonus reading for Leo. Ayun, nahulog. Sige, 8 pa. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. 7 cards please for Leo. Maraming salamat po. Ulitin ko, hindi po ako magsasawang magpasalamat sa inyo sapagkat kung wala po kayo, ay wala po ang success ng Renzo Tarot Channel. Last 2 cards please. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. Last 2 cards for our bonus reading for Leo. Okay. Kunin ko na itong nasa dulo. Yan, kompleto na. 10 baraha, Leo, para sa iyong bonus reading. I know that you're so excited. Okay, wag na natin pagpatagalin pa. Leo, let's begin your bonus reading with your opening card. Oh my God. Hulaan nyo. Look at this one. Wheel of Fortune. Sabi ko nga, kahit hindi ko nabuksan ang siyam na baraha na natitira, ito pa lang, paldo ka na. Congratulations, Leo, in advance. What does it mean? Wheel of Fortune. So, Leo, this bonus reading, kung mapanood mo ito, karagdagang mensahe ng universe para sa is that you will continue shining. Patuloy na mamamayagpag ka, patuloy na uulanin ka ng mga biyaya, patuloy na magiging masaya ka, and a lot of opportunities are coming on your way. With the Wheel of Fortune, roleta ng kapalaran, tutuloy-tuloy ang magandang takbo ng buhay mo. Maraming opportunities ang magbubukas para sa'yo. At the same time, it will give you too much happiness na talagang you cannot contain. And kung ano man yan, I am so happy for you with this opening card talagang, Leo. You're ruled by the sun. It is, ano tawag nito, parang hindi nito nakakapagtaka. It's because you are guided by your ruler na sun. Ibig sabihin, malinaw lahat ng mga steps, ng mga decision na ginagawa mo. It's carefully planned or talagang maingat mong pinag-isipan ng lahat. That's why most of it, talagang kalimitan dito ay success ang kinakalabasan. And this is confirmed by this Wheel of Fortune. I'm congratulating ni Leo because this is a very good card. Wish fulfillment, kung ano man ang gawin mo, kung ano nasa isip mo, planuhin mo, that will succeed and that will go in your favor. Okay? Wow! Tapos na. Pangalawang bara. Oh my God. Page of Pentacles. Look at that beautiful pentacle. You're holding a pentacle, may hawak ang pera. Look at that very vibrant yellow color nasa background. Color of joy. Sabi ko nga, whatever you are manifesting now, darating yan, ibibigay yan sa'yo, and it will give you too much happiness. And with this Page of Pentacles, this is also a confirmation para sa'yo, Leo, na talagang in terms of finances, Pentacle, walang question dito. Magtutuloy-tuloy ito. Siguro if you have business, it will flourish. magba-branch out ka or magiging maayos ang benta. If you are on the sales, magkaka-close ka ng mga deals or whatsoever. Maybe if you want to study, kung may na-expect ka ng mga approval of something, it will go in your favor. But this Page of Pentacles is another additional confirmation card for you, Leo, that you are really blessed. Okay? You are so lucky. Napakaswerte din. Let's continue. Pangatlo. Oh, syempre, hindi pwede Leo mawala ng basher. Tingnan mo. It's because napakabubuti yung tao, napaka-vibrant. Alam mo kayo kasi yung Leo, kayo yung pag-miss, di ba, sa isang grupo or sa isang crowd. Pag wala pa kayo, parang tahimik, boring. Pag dumating na kayo, biglang, parang, it's because of the sun, you're radiating, parang kayong kumikinang, alam, parang kayong center of attraction. Parang nakukuha nyo yung attraction ng crowd, okay? Na-attract mo yung attention, ng crowd. And look at this one, 9 of Wands. So, sabi ko nga, hindi pwede walang basher. Look at this person. Merong patago, palihim na nag-i-stalk sa'yo or nakamasid sa'yo sa malayo. Sinusubaybay nito ang mga galaw mo, yung mga updates mo sa buhay, ano na kayo nangyari sa kanya, ano na bang meron sa kanya. And Leo, of course, sabi ko, hindi ka mawawala nito, stalker or whatsoever. It's because you are radiating positivity always. You are giving joy. Ikaw yung nagbibigay ng kasiyahan sa grupo, ikaw yung nagdadala, ikaw yung nag-uplift ng mood. That's why siguro sa iba na misinterpret ito. But this 9 of Wands, mag-ingat ka dito. But I am telling you, meron talagang tao, palihim siguro kilala mo ito, and don't mind them. Huwag mo silang intindihin. Huwag ka mo papapekto. Just go. Just go to the right path na tinatahak mo. Okay? Guided ka ni universe. Ayun, huwag ka matakot. Andun yung Wheel of Fortune. Hindi tatalab yung mga evil eye nila sa it's because nasa iyo ang ruleta ng kapalaran. Look at your fourth card, the Hermit. Okay? You will be continue searching for good things. You will continue searching for a lot of opportunities. And kapag nasa sitwasyon ka pa rin ngayon ng decision making, maybe humihingi ka pa ng advices, you are asking for the sign of the universe, this is the best time para mapanood mo ito. This Hermit card is telling you, Virgo, na go for, Virgo. Leo, na go for it. Okay, kung ano man yung nasa puso mo na feeling mo ay dyan ka na, ready ka na, sige, tuloy mo na yan, push mo na yan. This Hermit card, look at that light, talagang i-clear, bibigyan ng iilawan yung dadaanan mo ni universe. So, it will be clear so that you can see everything, walang maitatago. Kung ano man siguro maybe delays or whatsoever, maaagapan mo, Leo. And with this beautiful card, it is also telling you that you are on the right path. Tamang tinatahak mo landas, okay? Aside from sa ilaw na gagabay sa'yo, bibigyan ka rin ng malino na pag-iisip ni universe, okay? Para pagtagumpayan ang lahat. Okay, wow. Ang ganda-ganda naman itong reading na to. Pang-limang baraha mo na yun para sa yung bonus reading. Wish fulfillment, leadership. So, there are some of you, Leo, na mapopromote. There are some of you na mag-elevate ang position sa something na maghahawa ka ng may mga tao, may mga taga-sunod ka. If you're doing a vlog or whatsoever, content creator, YouTube, or kung sa anumang social media sites, okay, you will be gaining followers. But, mani-discover, maybe it's because sabi ko, you have the natural charm, siguro, marami ka ma-attract. Di ba sabi ko nga kasi natural na na-attract mo yung crowd. So gamitin mo yan, i-harness mo yung potential mo, yung skills mo na yan sa social media. Kasi may ito nakikita ko may mga hahanga sa'yo. So they will be inspired by you. You will set also an example sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Hahangaan ka, tutularan ka, and you will serve as an inspiration for others. Leo. This is a very good thing. Pagpatuloy mo to. Also continue doing good things, being honest, and everything will fall into place for you. Sige, tapos na ang ating unang row. Let's continue with your second row, pang-anay mong barahan, Leo. Oh, look at that. King of Pentacles. Daming kaperahan. Daming, sabi ko nga, abundance, prosperity in terms of money, magkatapat pa sila ng Wheel of Fortune, nung unang-una nating barahan. So, ibig sabihin talaga, if you're planning to open up a business or whatsoever venture na pinapano mo, please open it now. The cards are telling that you will succeed, Leo. Okay? The King of Pentacles is a hierarchy card. It means, tingnan mo, in terms of doing everything na parang papabor sa'yo ay talagang it will give you so much. It's like stability at talagang in terms of finances ka, parang hindi mo na po problemahin. At least makakapag-ipon ka na parang kung gusto mo mag-break or kung gusto mo magbakasyon ng onte or you will be enjoying your moment. At least kahit pa paano wala kang isipin in terms of pera or finances. Okay? Next is your seventh card. Oh, magkasunod na king ha. From King of Pentacles here, the King of Wands. So I can see here also maturity, discipline kind of Leo na hindi na tulad ng dati na parang bara-bara yung mga decision. Here you are now. You are full of confidence. You are full of wisdom now in terms of decision making. Hindi ka na basta-basta gagawa ng papasok sa isang bagay na hindi mo pinag-isipan. You will be now considering a lot of factors. You will be testing the waters first and that is a good thing, Leo. At least natuto ka na. At least may maturity na nakita. There's a growth for you, Leo. And I'm so happy with that. And asahan mo rin na if it comes with this maturity or the discipline na kumbaga nararanasan mo ngayon or pinapakita mo ngayon ay of course there are some that will not be happy for you. Sabi ko nga, i-connect ko to din sa nine of wands, king of wands. So there are some people that would hate you or will not like you for no reason at all. Kahit walang dahilan, hindi ka nila magugustuhan. It's because, sabi ko nga, you are radiating positivity, ruled by the sun. So, alam mo yon parang mainit ka sa mata nila kahit wala kang ginagawa. And uulitin ko, Leo, don't mind them, huwag kang magpapapekto sa kanila. It's because you will be shining. And like a star, like a sun, magpapatuloy ang pagkinang ng iyong buhay. Pangwalo is Hierophant. So, you have a lot of manifestations. So, dami mong mga bilubulong-bulong papanalangin. Marami kang gustong mga mangyari. There are some of you that is fond of watching tarot cards or reading or whatsoever. You are also practicing some rituals. May mga ginagawa kayong parang mga, some habits that in relation or may kinalaman sa pagmamanifest ng bagay-bagay, and that is your belief na masama dyan. So, this card is Hierophant card since lumabas ang Wheel of Fortune. So, whatever that manifestations you have, whatever that wishes that you have in your heart, it will be granted by the universe in the soonest time. There are some of you na nakuha na ito. There are some of you na nakamit ito and it brings so much, it means joy and happiness and contentment for you. This Hierophant is telling that Leo, ang dami mong mga nais matupad ng mga pangarap and wishes. Okay? You are kind of person filled with wishes and manifestations. Yung pang-siya mong baraha is the Strength card. Very beautiful card. So, I am telling you again, Leo, the lion. So, like a lion, you are so brave. Okay? This Strength card, the universe, ang naisiparating ni universe ay huwag kang matakot. Matumba, madapa. Okay, despite sa mga positibong mga bagay na dumarating sa hindi maiwasan na maradapa tayo. But you have the strength card. The universe will be giving you the strength ng lakas ng loob, ng lakas ng pag-iisip, malinaw na pag-iisip para maharapin ang mga bagay-bagay ng kalmado at maayos. Okay? So don't you worry. Whatever hardships or frustrations, limitations na ibato sa iyo ng universe. So, you will overcome this with this strength card with this strength na ibibigay sa iyo. And, sabi ko, why are you going to worry? Diba? Sabi ko, doon pa na sa unang baraha, kahit di na natin tapusin. Tapos na, alam na natin ang pwedeng mangyari sa iyo with the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, tapusin natin yung napakaganda mong bonus reading lay with your 10th and last card. 5 of Swords. You need, kung meron pa sa inyo na parang nagpapagamit pa rin, nagpapauto pa rin sa mga kaibigan, sa mga tao sa paligid na wala namang naitutulong sa iyo but more on headache or parang sakit sa ulo lang, hindi ka naman nag-grow sa kanila, toxic ang environment or yung position na yan, yung trabaho na yan or relationship na yan, it's time to let go. Sa mga hindi pa dyan nakakaalis, hindi pa nagka-cut off, this is a reminder again sa you by the universe na you to cut off those people, those situations or environment that is not healthy, is not working for you anymore, at hindi nakakatulong sa yung paglago or growth. Again, I am so happy. Sana'y marami pong sign ng Leo makapadrito ngayon. Maraming salamat kapag nagustuhan nyo po or nakaresonate kayo sa ating reading ngayon. Don't hesitate na mag-comment kayo at magre-reply po ako. Like and share. Of course, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe para mas lalong lumago ating channel at mas malawak pa ang audience audience na ma-reach ng ating mga videos. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang tiwala at suporta. Pagmamahal hanggang sa susunod nating pagsasama. Nasaan mo kayo ngayon naroroon? Ano man ang ginagawa niyo mga pinakamahal kong soulmates? Mag-iingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.